Okay, that's gonna be a Slavia 630. Review of a Slavia 630 model. Slavia 630 model, made in Czech Republic, model 677. So this is 4.5 or millimeter, or 0.177 inch, of course. It's also a nice gun, beautiful gun. Has a safety here, easily. Everything is metal. Everything nice. Even this piece, front side, is metal, which I like. And this gun is specific gun because it has a 52 centimeters long barrel. Longer even than the Weichrauch HW80. Slavia 630. I love this gun. So easy to cock and to use. Really nice seal ring. I'm gonna use the 4.5 Master Kugel first. Very easy, see? Oh. Very easy to cock and very easy basically because it's kind of a loose. I'm not gonna use this one because it's deformed. I'm gonna use another one. So yeah, it's very sensitive because it's a 52 centimeters to the long leverage, and it's easy to cock and uncock. I mean, and it's light, much lighter than the Weichrauch. .445-6. So the weight of this one is 0.53 grams. Meisterkugel, and it shoots really nicely. Only the sound is kind of funny. When it releases, the sound of the spring is kind of ding dong. It's like a bell, kind of ringing funny. Safety off. See, 447. Same thing. There's no wind in my basement. There's no problem with lighting. There are no sun direct. There is no clouds. Diffuse light is perfect. Pretty accurate. 449. This really reminds me when I was a boy and I was shooting with a Slavia or some other Czech Republic made gun, but without safety. It was really good and it was fun. I enjoyed it a lot. That's why I'm kind of nostalgic toward the air guns again. 444.4. So it keeps up. Good work. 451. Now we're gonna try Super Point 0.53 grams with a pointed top. We'll see how they behave. 466.6. Nice. So this is only speed, muzzle velocity test. It's not accuracy test. 453. .463. 463.0. I'm just gonna check. I think it did reach maximal 32 shots because after 32 shots you need to reset it. I think so, pretty sure. 64.4. Mm-hmm. 4.4. I don't think this was a valid because it says the same. Cannot be exactly the same. 459 set. And at the last, but not least, we're gonna try Gamo 051 caliber. Cheapest one, about $5. I expect from them to fly fastest because they are lightest of all three. 484. That's not the one. Good one. 484.6. 520. What? I don't believe this. That must be false reading. Over 500 is okay, but 520 is a little bit too much. Let's try one more time. 501. One. That's good. Yeah, they're lighter. They're 0.51 gram, a hair lighter than the other one. 504 too, so it is good. Nice. Nice. 499, 0. Just on the limit. Perfect. One more shot. Whoops. That was irresponsible. It was so light and crisp. Actually, you have to be very careful. If you have this gun, you know, it's very soft. So, better just to release the safety just shortly before you're gonna shoot, because it's so nice. 498. Kind of excites you, like you don't know when it's gonna shoot. I think that's the way it should be. 492. One more. .501.2. Easy. I can shoot with this gun all day long without getting tired. Really nice gun. 501. Oh, can't be right. Cannot be exactly the same. So nothing is perfect. Even this is not quite accurate all the time. Error. See, just when I said it's not. Something is not aligned completely with the sensors, and it just had a false reading. There you go. Still nothing? Okay, just one more time. I like this gun. .487. Okay. 484.6. That's good. That concludes the shooting with the Slavia 630. Really nice. All metal, all wood. Really nice. $160. Weihrauch was $600. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. Be safe.